say the dope on fleek. Percocet pill on me. I saw my nigga, baby, chill with me. Them niggas that pops in the back don't say nothing. Them niggas are kill for me. Back as I can on my sleep on fleek. Man, I can't spit on that patty for leave. Bitch, I'm a dog in my tree. Hop out the frog and leave. I put them bricks in the fender.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Welcome back to another video. It's me, girl, Briana Marie, and I'm back with another YouTube banger. I'm back, y'all. That's right, y'all heard me whisper it. I'm back with another YouTube banger, and I am excited because this look is so pretty. I did go ahead and use the Glow Up Academy Varsity palette along with her glitter, y'all. This glitter is bomb on my lid, and so is this Varsity palette. She is black owned, okay? Black owned. Go shop black owned businesses. We'll leave Kiki Adams stuff in the description right below. I love her. That's my bitch, okay? She be slaying, okay? So yeah, y'all, this is so pretty to me. I don't know. It may be over the top for some. It may, let me say it again. It may be over the top for some. So if you don't like it, don't comment and get the fuck out, okay? I don't have time. Like, I don't understand when people come on here and spare me the motherfucking comment, okay? For those who like the look, keep watching. If y'all want to see how she just look, y'all have to. Like, I get so tired of the natural looks, okay? I'm tired of doing the basic piece. I'm tired of doing the one shadows. I'm tired. That's for going out, okay? But I would still wear this if I was going out. But I feel like that's for like going out when you're trying to do something quick, or you just want to be really soft and pretty. That's in, but I miss these type of looks. So if you want to see how she just look, which I know you do, please keep on watching. These eyebrows came out late and slay, okay? Period. Now it's time for the base. Let's get right into it. I'm taking P. Louise base in room number 5 and also number 2, like I do for every look. Once the base has been blended out, let's move right along to eyeshadow. I am taking this purple shade on a flat brush from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. It's a shader brush, and I am taking the Varsity palette from Glow Up Academy. Kiki Adams is the owner. If you don't know, I will leave everything in the description right below, but this palette is really bomb, y'all. So I advise y'all to go check it out because I'm in love. I'm taking my 506 brush from Morphe, and I'm taking a pink shade in this palette as well, and I want to put it right on top of the purple shade. I'm going to take another 506 brush from Morphe, and I'm going to put this orange color right at the outer edge of the eye on top of the pink shade, which is the second color on top, and I'm going to stop halfway. And then I want to take yellow in the same palette and put it right in the beginning of the eyes. place each color down, I'm going back in with each color, which is the purple first. Then I'm going to go back in with the pink, the orange, and then the yellow, just to make sure everything is blended right and I'm satisfied with all of the colors that are on the lid before cutting the crease. The crease, I'm going to take a makeup wipe and then also makeup removal on a Q-tip to further kind of define that cut to know where I'm going when I cut the crease. And I'm also going to take blank canvas base and start cutting the lid with my 252S MAC brush. Y'all, when I say y'all, get that brush. You definitely have to get it. Lay that blank canvas down completely right. Okay, when I tell you when it's crisp, you're gonna take the end of this base and you're gonna try to get rid of all the excess. Right here I'm kind of trying to blend it in, but I should have went back in and I should have took away some more of that base, because let me tell y'all, when I say it dries and you don't want it to be there when you're trying to blend the ends of your eyeshadow. You're gonna see this on my, what is this, you're gonna see this on my left eye. On my left eye, you're gonna see that I didn't take the Q-tip and remove most of the product that was needed to be removed. Okay, but it still ended up cute. However, please do so when you're working with these bases, because they're matte. They're supposed to get dry, and you don't want it to get dry at the end where you're trying to blend. You want everything to look seamless. So that's a tip. I'm telling you, take it away. Everything looks great right here, y'all. I'm just taking some translucent powder, kind of tapping it in the areas that I do crease, because my eyes naturally crease. And now I'm taking my purple, well, the purple out of the varsity palette, and I'm going to close up the end. So right here, as I'm tapping, do you see where I didn't take the Q-tip and didn't remove the excess? That's where I was supposed to remove it, and it just didn't. I just must have been rushing or something, where I didn't remove it all or didn't pay attention, but remove it. I applied purple, then I applied the second shade that I put on the lid, probably the shade that's lighter than the second shade that I put in the transition, and I put this on the lid. Now I'm going to take this sparkly shade out of her palette. When I tell you, she has all the colors, all the shimmers that are so pretty. Look at that. Perfect. And I also did go ahead and take some loose pigments from Unique Cosmetics, a loose pigment, and also from Peaches and Cream. I know the Peaches and Cream one was Mesmerized. The one from Unique, I think it was called Lust, and I just put that only in the inner part of my eyes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to also put some glitter on my lid after I blend everything out, because I'm putting right now, I'm putting orange on the lid with just a small brush, because I wanted it to be like dreamy, like a dream sickle kind of. It's just so pretty. I love it. I am so in love. But I'm gonna take my what is my glue from INV, and I'm gonna put this on my lid, and I'm just going to pick up some of that glitter from Glow Up Academy, and I'm just going to place this on the lid. Now I kind of clunked them together, but like just take some on that brush and kind of just place them where it needs to be placed. Also, the name of this glitter is called Lilac, y'all, if y'all were wondering the name, because y'all be like, oh, you don't even put it in the description right below, but I'm telling you right now, that's the name of the glitter. want to show y'all how this look on my phone because y'all is not getting it in real life. Look at that. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Like, I don't know, something with the cameras and then the phones, it's just so different. Like, you get a good quality on the cameras, but when it comes to a phone, you get all the vibrant stuff. Like, I don't know, it's just, maybe I gotta have my brightness down, way down or something. But now what I'm doing is I'm taking my liquid liner from Wet n Wild and I'm just lining my eyes. Pop them lashes on, baby. To the face. Okay, so I do the same routine just about in every tutorial, so I'm not going to even explain this part. I did go ahead and moisturize with Milk moisturizer, and I also went ahead and took poreless primer to prime my pore areas just on my cheeks, and then I also went ahead and took Spice Rum to kind of color correct. Otherwise, I want y'all to see how I actually do it, because I feel like if you look at it, you'll kind of get the gist and go from there, because explaining this, it's just like redundant because you see it in every tutorial. Eyeshadow looks, you really don't know what's going to be next, okay? So I definitely have to explain those. Eyebrows and face is just the same thing over and over again. So I'm gonna let this play, and I'm gonna meet y'all when it comes to applying the under eye.
Fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash. In Italy, got too foreign hoes, they DM me. Draw at the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast, they say the dope on fleek. Percocet pill on me, I saw my neck, baby, chill with me. Them niggas that post in the back don't say nothing, them niggas a kill for me. Back as I can in my sleep, on fleek. Man, I can't spin on that patty for leave. Bitch, I'm a dog in my tree. How about the frog and leave? I put them bricks in the fender. My bitch, she walk around like she just Jenner. I used to break in the hammer and take out running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mantle. Mama say she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a money symbol. Walking with the rats, I'm looking crippled. Fuck on that bitch, then I temple. A nickel for me to take pictures. Not from LA, but I clip her. Double my cup or a triple. Sauce on my body, no biblical.
I took the Acid Region base and I took it in the shade, I think it's called Ibiza, and also Glow Girl underneath the eye. And then I also smoothed it out with this, not the second shade, but the pink that I put on my lid when I closed out the cut crease. Y'all didn't see that part because I don't know what happened because I missed it. But right here are my liquid lipsticks, y'all. Oh my god, they went so perfect with this. I used the dark purple one, and I also used a plumish kind of purple when I put it in the center. When I tell y'all this lip was matte, it looks so good. And like I said, I cannot wait to show y'all my products. I can't wait to, actually, I did show y'all some of them, but I can't wait to just sell them. Like, I'm so excited. I'm so ready. And yeah, y'all, that is it. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys on my next tutorial, because baby, this energy that I'm giving off is definitely motivation, because I'm gonna be up there. I'm coming back to slay. I'm coming back to kill. I'm coming back to demolish. Okay, it's just over with, and it's just that